Good morning, everybody. ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful weekend. We're having an amazing trading day already today. There's stocks moving. It's Monday. I'm here with my little boy, right, Bobo? Yep, you can see his little nose popping up. There he is. There he is. All right, my man. All right, let's head over to the MOJO room because we got some stocks to go over this morning. OMG, things are happening really, really quickly again. Dow's down. Actually, Dow's up. We'll take a look. Good morning, Lori. Good morning, Mar. Good morning, Mouse says something. Good morning, Mojo's. Great start with KSCP. I said, wow, a few times. Added to the position. I recognize from Friday the pick Mike put out and the newsletter received by Mojo last night. Oh, money, clapping, the Heinz, and a rail grind. He's funny. Here's my night scope, guys. I put it out here this morning, right here. So if your newsletter has not put you out and your day trading chat room has not put you into night scope, you should be in the MOJO Day Trading room. Let me show you right here and show you what's going on. So night scope right here this morning, the high was 23. We're going to trade it from 17 through 18 into the high of 23. It just Heinz 18. That means it went through the even number and it's going up into what I call a rail grind. You could see on the chart right here, this blue line where my mouse is. Once it gets over that, it'll continue higher. 1850, 1860. Do you see this right here in the level 2? I teach this in my day trading masterclass. My boy knows about it, right, buddy? You sure do. That signal right there in the level 2 tells you where the stock's going. So if you were able to know like a minute or two before the stock moved which way it was going to go, you could make a lot of money. So that's what I put out in the room. The signal's at 1905. It's sitting there with the 30 on the bottom. He just got filled at 1905 and went 1915 right there. He just filled. I teach that in my day trading masterclass. Then it went through Heinz 19, popped right through there. Amazing. It's still in the rail grind. You could see by my circle, it's moved up into the 80%. It's cresting up above this mark. We're going to make a move up through into the high of the day. And then here we go, 1974 into Heinz 20. Just Heinz 20 right there. No signals in the level 2. Just went to 2076. He may get filled or it may go higher. There's a signal there at 2089, the biggest number in the level 2. Tells me it's going through 21. Done for the day right there. As it goes through 21, then it goes 22 right here. Up in rail grind, you can see how it's staying above 80%. And then it's going 2276. Mojo's the best at Heinz 23 right there. Goes 2319, and then we're live. And I gave this pick out on Friday, and I've got a lot of traders making a lot of money. Let me show you. So I have right here. Talking about the rail. Here's the Heinz trade play right here. Take a look at that. Scroll back in the video, read that over a couple of times. Here's another rail grind on PRVB. Same thing from Friday, up in the rail grind. Got to learn that in my day trading masterclass. Here's KSCP, $8. KSCP, 4,000 shares, $7.59. Chief right here. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Let me go to you, Trooper. I'm going to search for Trooper. Nice trade. Trooper was going to wanted a refund from me from the MOJO Day Trading room. He wanted a refund from me from the MOJO Day Trading room, and I said, dude, don't do a refund. You know, you don't judge anything on one day. The market's never been crazier than it is right now. And, you know, give it a little bit, give it a week or two, man. Let me do some coaching with you. There may be other things besides futures we could do. Swing trading, day trading, we could make money together. It's not all about just one thing in the Mojo room. Let me show you what Trooper just did, guys. Right here. So Trooper, holy crap, that's sick. Capitalize on the Mojo knowledge. I can't wait to do the same. So right here, I hope everybody can see this post, especially if you were part of the webinar last night and are new to this Discord. I've been here for 9 days. I had my biggest day today, all because of the call from Chief Pro Trader Mike. I took his call on KSCP. Let me just switch my thing right here. I took the call on KSCP just like Master Sully did. I banked 9,780. Thank dude, so stoked. And dude, the guy who paid for the course, $14.97. I gave him a couple of months of free of the room to cushion that. But he's like, dude, I need to make money. And I said, don't rush it. Let's go. He made $10,000. That's what the Mojo's all about, guys. If your chat room, the guy is big on Twitter and he's got a great persona and personality, but he's giving you picks that you're losing on, he's most probably selling when you're buying. He's giving out his picks so he can make a profit and you can take a loss. Mojo doesn't do that. We win as a team. Someone's mic is hot in the room. Whose mic is hot? ProTrader Trey, you're new to the room. Your mic is hot, brother. Just mute your mic there on the bottom. What's going on, Uncle Adam? How was your weekend?
I had a good weekend, Chief. Didn't do much but hang around the house and take it easy. Looking forward to a profitable week this week. I should have my funded account set up and ready to roll by tomorrow or maybe Wednesday.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Hey, guys that are new, Elise. Yeah, all right. I got to check out your message. Let me show you everybody that's new. Whoops, wrong screen. Let's head over to the main screen right here. We'll see what's hot and what's not. This morning in the stockies, because KSCP is surely hot. Yes, no problem. No problem. Done. Nice. I just had to help someone out in the room, guys. So we have a beautiful hot morning on KSCP at 20 bucks. So here's that beautiful move. It went up into rail grind right here on the 5-minute. Beautiful. Came down at 20.40. That's where it crossed back down for the final sell. It's another stock, IINN right here, heading up through 3 right here. You could see it. It's up in rail grind. It just made a pop through 3. Won't chase it up through 3 bars because I saw it earlier at 290, but I was doing the Mojo show set up, so I couldn't take advantage of it. Yes, you're in the right room, Trey. You're in the right room. Where ProTrader Mike is showing his morning picks, I hear him, but I don't see anything. I just accidentally clicked in. Still learning Discord. Yes. So that's where you hear me, and then you're in the trading pit, and then I put out all the picks. If you scroll up a little higher, you'll see where I started putting out Nightscope at $17 a share this morning, and then coaching everyone through it all the way to the high of 23. Did you see that? You can also come up on the mic if you want. That IINN's ripping. So right here, you could see where I came in and I gave everyone, if you scroll up in the chat in the trading pit, these are the morning instructions every morning. You have the morning routine, checking all the systems, making sure everything's great. I got my coffee right here from Dunkin'. Hopefully get my coffee maker back in my house. I need it. We got the live chat. We got the screen share right there to share my screen. And this is the morning schedule, which we're in right now. These are the gainers for the morning. And there's the first move on KSCP. Cool. So that's nice. You didn't miss out on anything. Don't worry. It happens all the time in the Mojo room. I gave you a platform to download, if you wouldn't mind, everybody. All you guys that took the course, sent you all messages one by one today. Trey, you got your message, right? Who else took the course? Tanner, you got your message with the Trade-O-Vate to download. Gene, you're ready to go. I think we'll trade like 10:45 this morning. We'll create a nice private group session for the future so we don't bother anybody and we can completely bang that out as a team with the futures, the new futures group. I got everybody in there. Biz, I gave it to you for the download. We're in Eastern Standard Time, correct? What time are you in? Yep, get that going. I also gave you, I have a link to share my platform with everyone. You're going to be in on that session, Uncle Adam. We're going to trade around maybe 10:45 after the stock session's over this morning. Hopefully he can be in on that. Uncle Adam in the Mojo room. That IINN just went to a new high. Yep. Let's plan on that. 10:45 in the Mojo room. So everyone's got their instructions. All we need is 10 minutes. We'll do another session at 2 p.m., another session at 6 p.m. That's my plan. That's my plan, man. Ooh, that IINN, Inspiria Technologies really moved. What's the news on that? IINN. That was a great pick. I sent out my swing trade newsletter last night to my swing members. Pretty good one. Pretty good one. Right here, swing newsletter. So if you're a subscriber of my newsletter, you got this, the structure of the newsletter. What's the Heinz trade? I tell you every day. How to buy and sell within the newsletter. The rules of the newsletter. My market analysis. Well, Mojos, I've been able to come through for the team once again. Have you noticed the last 3 to 4 weeks? There's been almost no swing picks going out. That's right. Mojo was in cash, sitting tight, the correction, not getting crushed by the markets. Now the dust has cleared a bit. The picks industry groups are highlighting some good buys. Mojo's got 8 picks. Here's my live trading with KSCP. Click the link. Go check that baby out. Here's my 8 picks. First one is KSCP, $16.29 right there. Followed the stock for 3 years in the private placement stage. Going to invest, but never did. You know, would have, but should have. I did call it out for a swing pick for the long term. And I'll give you my first pick. That's it. I'm only sharing this one. Tops, guys. Oil and gas transport. Oldie but goodie with a strong history of going big. Earnings going from $1.22 to 7 cents to 54. That's a 500% increase. Those last 2 quarters on the bottom, 102 and 102 with 55. Little fugazi with the same exact numbers, but it is what it is. It shows it. earnings estimates are increased 671% into 2022. Volume has decreased only 14% to 508,000 compared to 591,000. My targets are $1. I'm adding to the position at 80, 85, 90, 95. At 98, I'm all in. Floats 39.8 million. Funds are 1%. Risking 10. Rewards 100 plus plus. Tops. There you go, boys. There you go. I'll put tops right there for you. 75 cents. That's what we got. So that news on IINN, they got subject approval, groundbreaking respiratory technology. Someone's mic is hot. Peppy, your mic is hot.
Sorry.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm all right. Just working.
We're having a trading session for the futures at 10:45. IINN just made a new high of 363. Crazy. All right, your mic is hot now. It's not no more. Cool. What are you guys looking at? Don't be shy to type in the trading pit, guys. You know, I can only do so much. I see it going by right now, but no one's calling it out. I'll just put it on my screen until someone types it in the room. Tells me right there what they see. That was another one of my swing picks. LLNW, Limelight Networks, $4. It went to 463 already. We bought it right here, Limelight. Right here, actually, on January 3rd, I think. But I got some really good picks, guys. Yeah, you don't really need the newsletter, but yes, I can gift you that. What's a Gmail address for you or something I can add? Anybody else in the futures program that I didn't want the swing newsletter, I can gift it to you. If you message me your email address, preferably your Gmail, I'll give you access to the Google Drive and I'll add you to the Swing Trade newsletter. My gift. My gift. $149 a month service right there. My gift. With huge winners. If anybody wants that, just type in the trading pit who wants that, and I'll get you going. So I played in this poker tournament, this GG, this NFT. You have to buy the NFT and you get membership to the poker club. And I played, but it's yep, you're all good. Yeah, you're different. You're all good. Tanner, I have hundreds of people, bro. You see that? You know, it's all good, bro. When you make $9,000, does it really matter, dude? Trooper put 500 shares in at $7, dude. 3 grand into it. Turned into 14. Does it really matter? Oh yeah. When you didn't you get registered in the MOJO University Teachable, Manny, for the futures class, bro?
3 minutes.
When you did that, just register there. It should have loaded for you automatically, bro. And then do this. You got 2 things to do. Go do that and go do that. Go do that and go fly over there, man.
And do a nice little lawn for us.
Nice. I flew over to the main screen to see what you're talking about. I see it. It's at 40.95 by 40.96. Yeah, you see that stock that just went by the screen? It's called MOJO, M-O-G-O, not M-O-J-O, and it's $2. Isn't that funny? M-O-G-O, MOJO. All right, only one person wants the newsletters. No problem, dude. Just one person? You got it. Makes it easy for me. Just one person. Oh, we got another person, Tony T. All right, Tony, you can have it too. More is better? No, it doesn't matter for me. I make the newsletter, Nate. So I already know what the picks are because I pick them. But the people that don't want it, you don't have to get it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they don't know what's good for them. They don't like winners. They like to go follow Zach Morris and just freaking sit and wish and DATS and CEI and his new one, that whatever that STRN is. That's
60 seconds.
That's $2. STRN's freaking gotten destroyed from 7 to 2. That's Zach Morris's pick. There you go. You want to go be in STRN? There you go. That's Zach Morris. Say hi, Zach. It's not STRN, it's Zach. Go ahead. Go take his picks. SPY's down 89 today. SQQ 88.
30 seconds.
KSCP 1928. Alan's not in the room today. I wonder where he is.
Counting his money, I'm sure.
I'm sure.
Enjoying the good life, I hope.
11 seconds to the open, guys. I still have this Varu. Jesus, I didn't even see I had that. All right, anyway, next. All right, we're open. 19 signal going lower. Probably some sellers right there. Signal 31 offsetting it on the ask. Still 19 sitting there. Told you. I'm so good watching that level 2, dudes. Told you. But they ain't letting it go down.
Beauty lawn on the NQ.
Nice. Yeah, they ain't letting this thing go down. They're Heinz in at 19. Highs 1988. Yeah, they're coming down. Nice. I can't snip it though. Workhorse is moving 298 on the bottom. I can't snip it, dude. It's not letting me get anything in on the bid. BBIG's 296. BBIG's 296 marked on my screen, guys. Workhorse marked on my screen for the 3. Varu marked on my screen for the 5. And KSCP Heinz 19 beautifully.
Beauty lawn.
41 on SQQ moving nicely there for the guys doing the futures in the room. Good call out in the room. KSCP making a move up 500, 1950.
Beauty lawn.
$20. $20 on at KSCP. 2005. 2005 sold 2005. Yep, they took 2005 like a beast, dude.
41.23 on SQQQ.
SQQ 41.20, dude. Woo! Amazing trade. So he was short the NASDAQ there and made a lot of money in the room. The Uncle Adam, just type out what you did in the room if you wouldn't mind, bro, and how much you made and what you just did.
Sure, Chief. Just give me just a minute to type it up.
Take your time. Workhorse 304 Heinz. Workhorse Heinz 304. BBIG Heinz 3. We got 4 Heinzes in a row this morning. Nothing's better than that. Get KSCP. Have Varu. We have BBIG and Workhorse. All of them Heinz. All of them dudes for you. All of them dudes. All of them Heinz. All of them. That's how it works in the Mojo room, dudes. Make money. Make money. Weeds are moving. Show me the money, dudes. 3 minutes. Show me the monies. $488 for Batman. Let's head on over to the Mojo room. Let's see what people made, man. That's what it's all about. Because if you were in there, you'd make the same thing, dude. Let's see what you got. Touchdown. Nice. 488 for Batman. Nice job, Batman. That's money in the bank. Who else made money? 146 for Tony T. Now 772 for Batman. It's a shame that only Batman and Tony made money in the Mojo room. And we have so many people in there. It's really incredible. Oh, Bo made 8. Thank you, Bo. Cashing in $840. What did you trade, Bo? Called an NQ Lonf at 14,490. MAR 1,417. NQ futures for Bo. Nice call with Mr. Uncle Adam in the futures. We'll have the rest of the room next week after you trade with me to join in, but they're going to trade with me first before joining the funded team. KSCP and IINN. Nice trading right there. Batman, anything to say? You able to talk on the mic at all?
Checks and snapping necks.
Hey, you're cashing checks and snapping necks. Is that what I heard? Something come on like that and then disappear? What's going on, dude?
Yeah, I heard it too. I thought that was cool.
What's your take on the markets, man? Dow's down 120.
That was me. I'm in and out of conference calls, so I'm talking to you guys while I'm listening to some drone.
Okay, well, that's better. The Dow comp's up 70 and the Dow's down 130. What do you think the market's going to head this week? We're going to be lower at the end of the week or higher? I guess you can't talk. 1880 coming into a buy right now on Nightscope for Heinz 19 right there off 1887 stopping station. Right back over 19. And right back over 19. Arnie, what's up? You were in the webinar. I remember you. Nice job, Trooper. Great trading. We have a beautiful stock that we're just banking on last week and this week because Mojo knows.
NQ Lonf.
NQ Lonf called out in the room, guys. And it's actually an SQQ Lonf. Yeah, NQ, you're right, NQ. It's confusing when you say NQ, you know? Because I always just think SQQQ. And I'm like, oh, yeah.
I'm just trying to differentiate between the NQ trade plays and the SPY trade plays.
Oh, gotcha. That's a good idea. 940 on 1940. 1940 now. On good trade. $20, bro. Woo! 2035. Ripped. Holy crap is right, dude. You said, wow, that thing's going high. There's a signal at 2012. OMG, that thing ripped to 20 and Chang, dude. From 1940, it jumped. Let me head back to the main screen because that thing was insane, dude. Look at it. 21, bro. 21, bro. Sick. Mojo's the best. Whole thing, dude. Halting king of the halts.
The halts. I was just about to say that.
King of the halts, baby. Nailed it, dude. Nailed it. OMG. OMG, Mojo. And people want to quit my room and refund. Can you believe it? The guy wants a refund in my room, dude, because he doesn't like the scalp. Oh my gosh, I'm so stunned. I got to give a refund to a guy from the futures thing because he doesn't like the scalp, man. And it's not about one day. I'll stay in a trend trade on SQQ from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. You'll make $20,000. Bo, tell him how many times you've done that in the Mojo room, Bo, in the last 6 months with me. Roading out a trend trade, no scalping, just a trend trade from the beginning of the day, like to the end of the day on huge dollars. How many times have I done that? Half of the time. The other time we're scalping a little bit, so you just got to like adapt to what's going on. You know, that's what it is. That's what it is, dude. I mean, please. There's nothing
Well, you
but
know, it's easy to get
love in the
discouraged.
Mojo. Nothing but love in the Mojo room. Yeah. Well, Trooper got discouraged and he wanted a refund. Asked me 4 times, and I said, dude, listen, just give it, just give it, just give it. Patience, we love you. It'll work. It'll work. And he said, okay, even though I don't have a lot of money, I'll do it. And he made $10,000. Now he's up probably $13,000.
Well, good for him. Good for him. Something that's important for all the new people is that the veterans that are in here, the people who've been in this chat room a while, we're a great resource to rely on, especially if you're feeling a little crestfallen.
Well said. Thank you, man, for sharing to the room. I got to make you a, underneath me, I'm going to make a new role called moderator. And I think I'm going to add you in as a moderator because you're above pro. You're just such a help and you're like a mod to the room and that you can help moderate and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Well, that would be great, Mojo.
I think so. I'm going to do that. So let me put that on my list. Mod role for Uncle Adam. Nice. FGI halted. Nice. I didn't hear about that, but that's awesome. What a tool. Let me say, would this tool invest 100,000 whatever into a new business, then after 10 days fold it? No, but let me pay 149 bitch and moan after 3 days and want a refund? Yep. I know. Crazy, isn't it? Twitter went real nice today. Twitter went really nice today. People will make you laugh. Yes, people stun me, dude. Stunned. I try to I didn't give you money and you don't even want it. And if the futures aren't for you, take my stock course and learn the rail grind and the Heinz trade play with the perfect trading system. You'll make more money than you ever have in your entire life. How do I know that? Because all the traders in my room are making more money than they ever have in their entire life. You ain't going to be no difference. You think you're like Schleprock from the Flintstones. You remember him? You remember Schleprock? You're not Schleprock, bro. Which broker am I using? I use a couple of brokers, but I use the DOS Trader Pro platform. You can actually get you want to join the futures room? You got to take my futures course. Below in the link in the description, Rakesh, is the futures course. Go take it. Here. Go sign up and take it. Right there. Links in the description. I just put it out to you. I gave the prize, but there's a problem with impersonators, Carlos, on Twitter. People have come in before I can hand out the prize and impersonate the winners. So I am reporting them and figuring it all out. And they do that pretty cool. They do it pretty fast. I'll show you. So here's the winner. It opened 22.40, selling 22.40, 23. He said, wow, halting at 24. Mouse said, wow, dude. So did you. You said wow, and so did everybody else. The wow trade play is in effect. 24. Couldn't even sell it fast enough. You don't need futures. I have a program that I supply the capital with the futures, Arnie. I do. With my prop firm. You don't need your Canada broker. It doesn't matter. Not with futures. So get it going, baby. I can't believe it's halted at 24.60, guys.
NQ launch.
NQ Lonfin here, guys. 14.11 touchy. So when you say that, you want SQQ to go higher. Tell everybody.
Yeah, when I'm calling an NQ launch, well, first of all, the NASDAQ has a direct inverse correlative relationship with SQQQ. So whenever SQQQ is going up, the NASDAQ is going down, and thusly inverse. SQQQ usually leads by about 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds maybe on its moves. So when I call an NQ launch, I'm looking for SQQQ to make a nice spike upward and for the NQ to drop downward so I can short the NQ and make money off of it.
Sounds good, buddy. Sounds good. And it has moved in your direction. Just cleaning up some messages here. Just give me 1 second. KSCP, beautiful trading today, Mojos. I told you. Told you, Mojos. 24 bucks, man. 24 bucks, Mojos. $24.90. No, we're gonna have a meet, Claude. I was waiting for you in the room, Claude. Let me send you a message right now. Because I messaged you 3 times, dude. Check it out. Oh, no, there you go. And check your message right there, bro. Your 7M. Check your messages. Doesn't matter. You can do that with him too. It's all good. $24.28 halted. Oh my gosh, dude. Look what just came in the room. $250,000 day. Can you say a $250,000 day? I can. Thank you, Mojo. Damn.
Jesus, Mouse, congratulations. That's more money than I've ever made in my life.
That's pretty sick, dude. That's a freaking sick Congratulations, Baba. That's a sick move, dude. It's traded 51 million shares. Workhorse is moving. New high. Workhorse, 324 Workhorse. 324 Workhorse. New high. Arnie, please type in the chat room. Not here. Don't type in the Zoom, guys. And Arnie, that Zoom is for members only. So you get to appreciate it today only, my friend. Because that's the service, is watching my screen exactly how I trade. So I'd love for you to join, bro. And you should go join that futures class that you were in. So guys, it's 9:45. In an hour, we'll get the futures course going. We'll get the futures trading going. I'm going to create a private group and invite all you guys in. Gomez, Uncle Adam, all the Tanner, Peppy, Trey, Claude. No, in the message, check your messages on Discord, Claude. Do you see in the top, there's like on the top of the Discord, there's like a highlight and stuff? I messaged you. You got it, Smitty? I'll invite you as well.
That was a nice little NQ long. I think I'm going to keep running it, though.
Do you see it, dude? See the messages I sent you? Sent you another one. Someone send me a direct message so something pops up on my screen so I could show them where the messages pop up. There you go. See that? Comes up there on the top. Should have my picture, top of the Discord. Do you see that, Claude? He's not even connected to my, oh, that's why he's not even connected to the, damn. Guys got to help me out a little bit, man, in the room. You know what I'm saying? It's like, whatever. Claude, there you go. Connect to the voice. Well, connect to the voice. Connect to the voice. There you go. That's how it works. Otherwise, you can't be in the room because how are you going to hear what's going on and trade? Connect to the voice. Connect to the voice. There you go. That's how it works. Otherwise, you can't be in the room because how are you going to hear what's going on and trade? All right, guys. So that's the trading we did today. We did pretty damn good today. Some people just don't want to make money and trade, so I'll add you as well, Smitty. Arnie's totally new to Discord. He's lost. He can hear me. He can't see me, so he's got to go. Sorry, buddy. I can't please everybody. Yeah, that's correct. That's my screen. That's what members pay for, to hear me on the mic and to see my screen and to get the greatest picks of all time. And the OG pro traders, Arnie, have been on a subscription for $199 a month for the combo. That's my combo pack. Or $149 a month for the chat for 5+ years. A Batman, 6. Hopper, 9 years. How do you like that? JC, 7 years. Mar, 6 years. Hugs, 6 years. Walt, 5 years. Allen, 11 years. 11 years. Those are the people that are in my room as OGs. And the only reason why they here pay that every month is because the program works. And Alan doesn't even look at my screen. 326, 328 new high on that workhorse. Bitcoin's moving. BITO and BITF, 2 Bitcoin stocks are moving. And Coinbase is moving too. So yeah, we'll have a nice session at 10:45. So guys, take a break for 45 minutes. Let's come back. We'll do my routine for getting into the SPYs and the futures trading. We're going to do a session at 10:30. So be back here at 10:30. I'm going to create a new channel again. I'm going to create it now, actually. It's going to be called the Futures Pit. This is the stock trading pit. So I'm going to create a new channel called Create Channel Futures Trading Pit. All right, I just set up the channel. That's exciting. Cool. It's up there, futures trading pit. Let me put in the emoji on there. Done. Check it out, guys. We're in the futures trading pit. Oh, no, Gene. I got to do the first message. You snaked me in there. Done. Add everyone. Check it out. The futures trading pit. In here, we're going to crush the market. Who's in? 10:30. So that's in the futures trading pit right there. Nice. Everyone in the futures group. 10:30 a.m. in the futures trading pit. Done. Up. Forgot the Y. Done, everyone in the futures trading pit. In the futures trading pit. New high on Workhorse, 331. New high on Workhorse, 331. New high on Workhorse, 331. Veru. New high on Veru. New high on Workhorse. New high on Veru. Everything working like a champion, brothers. Nice. NVIDIA's cranking up 237 right there. So everyone take a nice break, and I'll see you at 10:30. Peace. Thank you, guys.